Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some super exciting news before I get into this video. This is my first ever brand collaboration in my life, and I'm so excited because it is with MAC Cosmetics. Oh my god, this is so exciting. So I teamed up with MAC and Nordstrom, and I put together my favorite, like my ultimate favorite products from MAC, my ride or dies, and I got to put them all in a little set with a box and my face on the box. It'll be available for you on December 26th. It's exclusively at Nordstrom nationwide. I am so excited. You're going to get 2 eyeshadows, Brown Script and Amber Lights, half and half lipstick and Spice lip liner. You can get all of this together in this little box right here with my face on it. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, thank you to MAC and Nordstrom for collaborating with me on my favorites. My favorites kit is going to be $42.50, and you can get it nationwide. Any Nordstrom that has a MAC in it, it will be there for you, waiting just for you guys to pick it up. I am so excited for this collaboration. Again, this is my first anything with a brand like this. Like, this is so cool to be collaborating with MAC and Nordstrom. I love this collaboration, and I can't wait to show you how I got this look right here. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad family. If I can lift my leg, I would lift my leg. Can I lift my leg? Can we make this happen? No, we can't. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I already did my brows for this video. They are done. Actually, no, they're not. They look like they need a little bit of help right in here. Okay, that's all it needed. By the way, this is the MAC eyebrow styler in the shade Stud, which is one of my ultimate faves. So yeah, brows are done. Now I'm gonna go into the face. I already primed my face, moisturized, all that stuff. It is ready for foundation. I'm gonna be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is like one of those old school ride or die kind of full coverage products. This will never let you down. I love it so much. I'm gonna put it on my face. We are gonna look super flawless. I mean, obviously we look flawless before, but you know, we wanna look extra flawless. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier loose setting powder just to go over the eye area to set all of the cream. I'm gonna be using my 2 ultimate favorites that are in my kit. So cool to say that I have a MAC kit. That is amazing. So my faves have always been the MAC Amber Lights. It's like a ride or die. You know it's gonna make your look amazing and glam. And then Brown Script for the crease, for the lid, just a really nice matte neutral shade for any time of the year. These 2 guys are my favorites. Cannot wait for you guys to use these together. I'm gonna first start off with Brown Script. Start to work that on to the crease like that. And with this shade, I want to start off lightly here just to create like a base of dimension, and then I'm going to bring it all the way down to the lid. And you really could create a multi-dimensional look just with one shadow, depending on the amount of pressure you put on your brush. I want to put the lightest pressure on my brush so that I can get just like a soft definition, like so. And I'm going to do the other eye really quickly. So now I want to lay down a little bit more in the crease. So I'm going to go in a little heavier handed into the same color, the same shade. Just go in there a little deeper and press down a little bit more pressure. Okay, so you see when we put down a little bit more pressure, it's giving us more payoff, more dimension, and we're just using the same color. Now that we've laid down some more pressure, I'm gonna go into a flat brush. With a flat brush, you're gonna get so much more payoff because the brush is dense and it's tightly packed. So any brush that's tightly packed, you're always gonna get more payoff. So I'm gonna take the brush and just work it on the inner part of the lid like so, and the outer part of the lid too. So this is gonna be the heaviest, the deepest place. And I like this color because you can use it alone for like a daytime look. You can use it just in the crease. You can even use it as a bronzer like I would. You can do so many things with it. So I really love this color for everything. You can take this color from day to night. It's really just so universal. I'm gonna take that same color and work it down on the lower lash line and connect it at the end. We're gonna connect these two together and then bring him around all the way to the inner corner like that. And then I'm gonna do the other eye, so I'm gonna fast forward this super quick and we're gonna move on. Okay, so now that we got a nice base down, I wanna deepen this up a little bit more. So I'm gonna take Blackberry, which is this nice purple shade, and I'm going to use a smaller densely packed brush just to focus this on the outer corners, inner and the outer. So I know I'm doing the outer right now, so we're gonna do this part right here. You just wanna deepen it up a little bit more. If you really, really want the drama, you can take Carbon and really just smoke it out. I'm gonna pick up Carbon, like a tiny, teensy bit of Carbon, just to add a little more definition right on the outers. Nothing crazy, we just want to see like a 3D effect. So I'm just gonna put it right there, here, the lower lash line. So I'm gonna go back into Brown Script with a fluffy brush and just hit the edges to make sure there is no lines that are really hard and everybody in the world can see them. You don't want that to happen. So just go around and make sure everything is soft. And for some reason with the shade Brown Script, I feel like it makes your eyes like super glowy, like you're glowing. Like, I don't know, there's just a beautiful, bright halo of gorgeousness around your eyes with this color. I don't know, maybe I'm being a little over the top, but for me, that is exactly how this color makes my eyes feel. So now we're saving the best part. I love this shade. Oh my God, I love this shade. This is Amber Lights, and Amber Lights is the first eyeshadow that I ever bought from MAC. So it's touching a place in my heart. My favorite, my first shadow that I ever bought from MAC is going to be in Nordstrom Nationwide in a part of a box with my face on it. Like, that is insane. Like, I'm so excited to put this on my eye right now, you guys. So excited. So I'm gonna take my finger and I'm just going to, oh my God, so beautiful. I'm gonna take the shade and just work it on the blank spot of my eye so we can really have a beautiful glowing halo effect. My God, this is the most beautiful gold I have ever seen in my life. Pop it in the corners of the eye too. I'm gonna add a little bit more Brown Script to the crease. This is such an easy look to do, but now I'm gonna go ahead and do the wing. You can totally skip the wing because this eye look looks almost, I do kind of want to say it does, for some people, look best without eyeliner, so you could really see the eye work. But I feel like I want a little more definition here, but we're still gonna have that halo showing for sure. So I'm gonna take the MAC brushstroke liner, so liquid liner. I'm just gonna make a little wing here. Actually, I shouldn't say little because we don't know how it's gonna turn out. We're not sure yet. Mascara, I'm gonna use the Extended Play Gigalack Lash. It's a blue too, but it's black. I'm just gonna coat my lashes really quick and then pop on some falsies. Okay, so I'm back with lashes. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of black on the lower lash line, just on the outer part of the lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm gonna set everything in place, and I'm also going to contour my face. So for that, I'm going to take this right here. This is the Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette, and it is my ultimate love right now. I've been really using this a lot. So I'm gonna take these two first shades, the yellow and the lighter shade, and we're just going to set the under eyes. This is setting the under eyes, but it's also brightening them up to really enhance the light in this area. Same thing with the chin and around the mouth, just to set everything in place. I'm gonna contour with the shades below, and you can go into any one. I like the middle one and the last, and I like to use the MAC 197S brush. This is a good one to use for all over contouring. It's really precise contouring, so just know that. But that's why I really like it, because my nose isn't very wide, so it works perfect because it's just sculpting the shape that I want without putting it in other areas that I don't want to put it in. So it's really precise. I'm also gonna take it around the hairline, right up like this. And then with this brush, it's a little bit more fluffier, so I'm just gonna take a little bit more contour and really buff the contour out with this one. And the entire time I'm working my way upward. And then with some blush, I'm gonna take Raisin and we're gonna pop it on our cheeks. And then I'm gonna hit my cheekbones with some Extra Dimension Skin Finish. This is the Oh Darling. And this is one of my go-to highlights as well. I love the Oh Darling. It's so pretty and so universally just blinding. Then I'm gonna take some on my finger and go right down the nose. Not all the way down, but just halfway, and then right on the tip, just to fake that our nose is like, boop, like that. And then because we have so much powder on our face, we're gonna make it all melt down into skin. And this is like my #1 thing to use to melt powder into skin-like finish. And that is the Fix Plus from MAC. This is like everybody's go-to for that. Okay, I go crazy with it, so I have to really let it dry down. So now we're moving on to the lips. I'm so excited to show you guys my favorites. My ultimate favorites throughout my life have always been Spice and Half and Half. They're almost, to me, they look a little similar, so you can use either or you can use them together. I love them together. I'm gonna start off with lining my lips first. So I'm just gonna go in there and shape the lip. So now that they're outlined, I'm gonna put the Half and Half lipstick right on top. Bam. And I feel like Half and Half is the exact dupe to Spice in a lipstick form. It's just perfect, and it goes so perfect with this eye look because they both have that beautiful rustic orange undertone, which goes so well together. So yeah, this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was super special for me to do. I had chills running through my whole body the entire video because I've never done, like I've had so many opportunities to do collaborations with brands, but I wanted it to be just perfect. Like it had to be perfect, and MAC just was the ultimate perfect collaboration, and I'm so honored and happy. I feel like that's the only thing I could say in this entire video just because I really am. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and if you missed my videos over here, go ahead and check them out before you go. And before I leave you guys, I want to leave this note right here for you to take with you throughout the day, and that's if you're feeling discouraged in anything you're doing in your life right now, I want you to look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself that you can do it, you are gonna do it, and this is going to happen. And you're gonna succeed at it, starting today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.